In this video, we'll learn how to apply patterns to your design and how to alter or edit them once they're applied. First, let's open a new project on the canvas and insert a shape. How about a hexagon? Now, over in the Layers palette, click the hexagon layer. This reveals the layer's attributes for this particular layer. This shape is currently set to cut. You can tell by looking at the line type here and here. To reveal pattern options, change the line type to the print line type by clicking here. As you can see, the Layers Attributes panel changed, and now there's an option for Patterns. Click that, and all the patterns currently available, including your most recent uploads, are revealed. We'll click this recently uploaded pattern, and voila! This pattern is now a part of your design. Now, to make some adjustments to the pattern, click Edit at the bottom of the panel. This dialog makes it easy to scale, reposition, or rotate, as well as flip the image. To adjust scale, either enter a number value or use the arrows here. Alternatively, there's the slider over here. As changes are made, you'll see adjustments in real time in the preview window. One important note: if you scale down, it automatically tiles and repeats the pattern to fill up the shape, which is incredibly useful when you're using a seamless pattern and don't want the pattern too large in the shape. These horizontal and vertical fields adjust the pattern position inside of the shape. Use these when there's a very specific portion of your image that you wanted to reveal in the shape. Just move it around until it's positioned exactly where you want it. Rotation does exactly that, rotates the image inside of the shape. And Flip reorients the image in the opposite direction. All changes are applied automatically, so all you need to do is close the pop-up when you're finished. Clicking Reset, by the way, makes it easy to start over if you decide for whatever reason that the edits aren't working for you. And that's it. Now you know how to apply a pattern to any shape in Design Space.